Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome to the video. It is Life Made Easy back with a quick update video. Just want to let you guys know we've been getting a ton of momentum, and I'm so happy for all the support that you guys have been showing me recently. I've been putting in the effort to upload basically every day for the past 2 weeks or so, and before that I was uploading every other day or close to every day. So I've been putting out a ton of content, recording tons of videos, editing tons of videos, trying to grow the channel. I've been expanding on social media. I got Instagram, Twitter, Discord, Facebook. I got my own merch lineup now on Teespring. All links below. So yeah, I've been expanding. I've been trying to grow, try to make good content for you guys. Been recording a lot of Fortnite gameplay just for here in the background, just so you guys can watch this. I end up dying top, I don't know, but I almost win this. So yeah, I just want to bring you a quick update video and let you guys know what's going on. I will not be able to upload as much anymore, or just for the next couple months, just because of schoolwork. Winter break is over, so now I have to go back to school. So I'm sorry, guys, I will not be able to upload as much. I've recorded some videos in the past just so I can upload them easily, so I don't have to make them while I'm at school. So look forward to that. I still got videos in the works. So I'm not going to leave you guys high and dry. So I still got some content planned for the future. I still will upload, just not as frequently, so don't get discouraged, guys. Don't unsubscribe. I'm still going to upload in the future. Especially when summertime comes, I'm going to be grinding all throughout the summer, trying to grow. My next goal is 2,000 subscribers, so if you guys are watching this and you want to support the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and like this video. Likes and comments help boost my videos. Oh, that was a nice snipe, by the way. Help boost my videos high in search results. So make sure you guys do that as well. So yeah, I'm sorry I can't upload as much, guys. I wish I could. Sadly, schoolwork does take a toll on my life and takes up a big chunk of my time. I wish I could have all the free time I want, but I can't. Sadly, I have to do schoolwork. Let me think. Yeah, so once again, guys, I appreciate all that support. For those who want a shout-out, I haven't done a shout-out in a couple videos, but if you guys just want a shout-out on the video, I'm willing to give out free shout-outs. All you have to do is comment below that you hit that notification bell so you guys know exactly when I upload, stuff like that. Yeah, if you guys want to get updates outside of YouTube, I can post on Instagram and Twitter and that very easily. That doesn't take any effort to edit videos or anything. So if you want to stay connected with me, go follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and if you want to connect one-on-one, I have my own Discord, which is nice. So that's a plus. So I can literally just text you guys, and you can just communicate with me very easily. So I'm sorry, guys. That's gonna be this video. Just a quick update. If you like this video, I don't know if you would like this video, but because it's bad news, but hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for your new notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one coming up soon. Peace.